What's happening, tech fans? Welcome back to Qualcomm Pulse, where we're diving headfirst into the hottest news shaping the future of innovation. Get ready for a rapid-fire rundown that'll leave you on the edge of your seat. We're talking big moves from GAMMA Investing LLC with Intel Corporation, cutting-edge hardware from AAEON, and Intel's own graphics division showing serious signs of life with Arc GPUs and XeSS tech. Stick around, because you won't want to miss this. First up, we've got GAMMA Investing LLC making some serious waves with a massive increase in their position in Intel Corporation. This isn't just a small adjustment. It's a significant boost that shows a strong conviction in the chip giant. We'll break down exactly what this means for Intel's future and why this investment is turning heads on Wall Street. Then, we shift gears to AAEON, who are dropping some serious firepower with their brand new Gene ARH6 3.5-inch SubCompact Board, powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 200UH series processors. This is a game-changer for embedded systems and industrial applications, packing serious performance into a compact form factor. Get ready to see what this beast can do. And finally, hold onto your hats because Intel's Arc GPUs aren't just surviving, they're thriving. We're seeing job listings for high-end graphics and exciting new XeSS features, like multi-frame generation, lurking in the drivers. Is Intel ready to challenge the big players in the dedicated graphics market? We've got all the details and what it means for gamers and creators. Hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss an update. GAMMA Investing LLC just made a bold statement by dramatically increasing its stake in Intel Corporation, a move that's sending ripples through the tech and finance worlds. This isn't just a minor portfolio tweak. GAMMA Investing LLC has revealed a substantial 227.7% surge in its holdings of Intel Corporation, NASDAQ, INTC, during the second quarter. The fund now boasts 46,460 shares, an increase of 32,284 shares, valuing their Intel position at an impressive $1.04 million. This significant investment comes at a time when Intel is navigating a complex market landscape, making GAMMA's confidence a noteworthy signal. This strategic accumulation by GAMMA Investing LLC isn't happening in a vacuum. Other institutional players are also showing interest, with firms like Vermilion Wealth Management Inc., Amariflex Group Inc., Universal Beteiligung's und Servicegesellschaft MBH, QSM Asset Management Limited, and PKO Investment Management Joint Stock Co. making new or increased investments in Intel during recent quarters. While institutional investors collectively hold about 64.53% of Intel's stock, this concentrated increase by GAMMA highlights a specific bullish sentiment. Intel's stock, currently trading around $29.34 with a market cap of $128.42 billion, faces analyst scrutiny, with a mixed bag of ratings from sell to hold. However, GAMMA's move suggests a belief in Intel's underlying value or future potential, despite broader market concerns. Wall Street analysts are closely watching Intel's every move, with recent reports from Citigroup, J.P. Morgan Chase & Co., Sanford C. Bernstein, Needham & Company LLC, and Rosenblatt Securities offering a range of perspectives, primarily leaning towards hold or sell ratings. Yet, the sheer scale of GAMMA Investing LLC's recent acquisition speaks volumes, potentially indicating a contrarian view or a deep dive into Intel's long-term strategy that might be overlooked by the broader analyst consensus. Don't go anywhere, because the tech world is always full of surprises, and our next story is no exception. Get ready to explore the latest innovation in compact computing from AAEON. AAEON is pushing the boundaries of compact computing with the launch of its new Gene ARH6 3.5-inch SubCompact Board, featuring the powerful Intel Core Ultra 200UH series processors. This release marks a significant advancement in the realm of embedded systems, offering developers and manufacturers a highly capable and space-efficient solution. The board is designed to meet the demanding requirements of various industrial, IoT, and edge computing applications where performance and size are critical constraints. The Gene ARH6 board boasts the latest Intel Core Ultra processors, known for their advanced AI capabilities, power efficiency, and robust performance. This integration allows the board to handle complex tasks, from real-time data processing to sophisticated machine learning inference, all within a 3.5-inch form factor. Its versatility makes it ideal for applications such as smart factory automation, medical devices, digital signage, and advanced robotics. The inclusion of comprehensive I/O options and extensive expandability ensures that it can be tailored to a wide array of specific needs, solidifying its position as a flexible and powerful platform for next-generation embedded solutions. Industry watchers and potential users are buzzing about the potential applications of this new board. The combination of Intel's cutting-edge processor technology with AAEON's expertise in embedded board design is expected to accelerate innovation across multiple sectors, particularly in areas demanding high performance within compact environments. But the innovation doesn't stop there. As we've got more Intel news, that's sure to ignite your curiosity. Next up, we're diving deep into the future of Intel's dedicated graphics with news on Arc GPUs and exciting new driver developments. Intel's Arc GPUs are showing surprising resilience and ambition, with new job listings and driver discoveries hinting at a robust future for high-end graphics and enhanced XeSS features. Despite market uncertainties and evolving partnerships, evidence is mounting that Intel is not only committed to its dedicated graphics line, but is actively planning for its future, including a push into more powerful, high-end segments. The most compelling sign comes from a recent job posting seeking an engineer to validate and optimize high-end desktop system-on-chip (SoC) designs focusing on DGFX gaming performance. This indicates Intel's intent to move beyond entry-level and mid-range offerings and compete more directly in the enthusiast GPU market, likely referring to their upcoming Z3 architecture, codenamed Celestial. Furthermore, a deep dive into the latest Arc graphics drivers has revealed references to an unannounced multi-frame generation feature within XeSS. This technology, similar to NVIDIA's DLSS4, could significantly boost gaming performance by generating additional frames, bringing Intel's XeSS up to par with or even surpassing competitors like AMD's FSR4 and NVIDIA's current offerings. This news has generated considerable excitement among gamers and tech enthusiasts, who see it as a strong signal that Intel is serious about competing in the dedicated graphics space. The potential for improved performance through multi-frame generation, coupled with the promise of higher-end Arc GPUs, offers a much-needed injection of competition into a market often dominated by a few key players. And the story about Intel's graphics advancements gets even more intriguing. Prepare for a closer look at Intel's potential multi-frame generation technology and what it means for the GPU landscape. New code found in Intel's Arc graphics driver files suggests the company is developing its own multi-frame generation, MFG, technology, potentially named XeSS MFG, to rival offerings from NVIDIA and AMD. This discovery comes at a critical time for Intel's Arc graphics division, signaling a renewed push to enhance its competitive edge in the discrete GPU market. The unearthed driver files, spotted by users on Reddit, contain references to multi-frame generation, XeSS, along with a potential logo. This indicates Intel is working on a technology that can generate multiple interpolated frames between rendered frames, a feature that significantly boosts frame rates in supported games. NVIDIA has already showcased its multi-frame generation capabilities with its RTX 50 series, while AMD offers single-frame generation with FSR4. Intel's potential XeSS MFG would be its answer to these technologies, aiming to provide a comparable, if not superior, performance uplift. This development is particularly significant given recent news about Intel's collaboration with NVIDIA on chiplets, as it reinforces Intel's commitment to its own Arc graphics project and suggests a strategy to differentiate its offerings rather than be overshadowed. News of XeSS MFG has been met with a mix of excitement and caution. While the prospect of enhanced frame generation is appealing to gamers seeking higher performance. It's important to remember that such technologies can sometimes introduce latency and require a solid baseline frame rate. However, if Intel can successfully implement XeSS MFG, it could provide a unique selling point for its Arc GPUs against AMD and offer a compelling alternative to NVIDIA's solution, potentially making advanced frame generation more accessible across different hardware. That's all the deep dives for today, but we're not done yet. We'll quickly recap all the major tech headlines you need to know before you go. And that's a wrap on today's Tech Blitz. We saw GAMMA Investing LLC go big on Intel Corporation, AAEON unveil their powerful new Gene ARH6 board, and Intel's Arc GPUs showing major promise with new high-end ambitions, and XeSS Multi-Frame Generation tech on the horizon. Don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more cutting-edge tech news, ring that notification bell so you're always in the loop, drop a comment with your thoughts on these stories, and give us a follow on all our social channels. We'll catch you in the next one.